Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at two ROKFORM products. We have the iPhone 14 Pro Max Eagle 3 case for golf, and we have the G-ROK portable wireless golf speaker. This speaker is easy to use. It has Ipx7 water and dust proofing. It is rugged, which will show you how it's built, and it has 24 hours of playtime. And in this photo, you can see two of them, which means that actually you can combine two of them for stereo sound. Here's some details right here. They will be in the description below, but you can insert a micro SD card with music on it. And like I said, it's Ipx7 waterproofing. You can use it for calls, and it has magnetism pieces on the back. The metal attaches to the phone case. We'll show how that works, all the ports, and what it looks like in the hand. So it may look a little bit small in the hand, but it has definite volume for where you want it to be. So here is the Eagle 3 case. We'll set that right here. And then here is the actual speaker right there. And then on the back here, you can attach this to the case. So now you have the case for the phone, and if you want to set it up like that, you can have it set up like that, and then the audio comes out this side. If you want to use the carabiner, it's actually attached right here. You just push down and then pull up right there. So you have the carabiner you can attach other gadgets to right there, and that stows away easily. It has some feet on the bottom. This attaches here. Now if you have a ROKFORM case that has one of these widgets, you can actually put it in place like that. Otherwise, it just uses the magnetism from the speaker and the plate built into the case. Here are all your buttons. We'll go ahead and turn that on. So you can see there the blue light that's blinking means it's ready to be paired. And then on this side, you open this up and you have the micro SD port. You have the audio port right there and the micro USB charging port as well. And that all fits underneath this cover that protects it from water. So you can have it set up like this, and you can have it set up like that. So multiple ways to have it. You could pair two of them together wirelessly. This is the G-ROK portable wireless golf speaker. It comes with some accessories as well for charging and for other audio sources, but it's compatible with the ROKFORM Eagle 3 case, and these are both under the golfing genre for ROKFORM. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up